Do you dream of speaking English fluently but struggle to find the time? What if I told you just 5 minutes a day could transform your language skills? In our busy lives, finding hours for study feels impossible. But consistency, even in small doses, is incredibly powerful. This video will guide you through simple, effective strategies to practice English daily in just 5 minutes. Why 5 minutes? It's about building a habit. Small, regular efforts are far more effective than sporadic, long sessions. Psychologically, short bursts prevent burnout and make learning feel less daunting. It's sustainable progress. You can fit 5 minutes anywhere, during your commute, while waiting for coffee, or before bed. No excuses. These micro-sessions accumulate, leading to significant improvement over time. Let's explore how. Our first method, vocabulary building. A strong vocabulary is the foundation of any language. Dedicate 5 minutes to learning 3 to 5 new words daily. Use flashcards, either physical or digital. Write them down, say them aloud, and try to use them in a simple sentence. Repetition is key. Focus on words relevant to your interests or daily life to make them more memorable. Next, let's practice forming sentences. Knowing words is one thing, but using them correctly is another. Take the new vocabulary you just learned and try to create simple sentences. Start with basic subject-verb-object structures. For example, if you learned delicious, cry the food is delicious. Keep it simple and build confidence. You can also use online sentence builders or grammar apps for quick practice and feedback. Now, let's boost your listening comprehension. Exposure to spoken English is crucial. Spend 5 minutes listening to a short podcast snippet, a news headline, or a segment from an English song. Don't worry about understanding every single word. Focus on the general meaning and key phrases. Even short exposures train your ear to the rhythm and intonation of English. Now, for speaking practice, often the most intimidating part. But it doesn't have to be. Dedicate 5 minutes to self-talk. Describe your surroundings, your plans for the day, or simply repeat phrases. Try shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and immediately repeat what they say, mimicking their pronunciation and rhythm. You can even record yourself and listen back. It helps identify areas for improvement without judgment. Consistency is the ultimate secret weapon. 5 minutes daily is only effective if you stick with it. Regularly review your new vocabulary and sentences. Spaced repetition helps cement knowledge. Track your progress. Seeing how far you've come will motivate you to continue your daily practice. Remember, small steps lead to big journeys. Every 5 minutes counts towards your fluency. So, what are you waiting for? Start your 5-minute daily English practice today. Your journey to English fluency begins with that first 5 minutes. You can do it